Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, Erin will be sharing 10 mix and match nail designs that can all be created just by using household items. That's right, no professional nail tools are required.
Hey guys, it's Erin. Before doing any of these designs, I'm applying a base coat to my nails. For this first design, I'm painting my nail with a black nail polish. Then I'm applying a matte top coat over that. Once my nail has dried matte, I'm taking a glossy top coat and a bobby pin, and I'm going to do glossy dots all on top of the mat so they pop. And that's the finished super easy dotted design. This next nail is an unconventional textured nail look. I'm painting my nail with a pastel purple base. Then I'm applying a layer of top coat, and while the top coat is still wet, I'm dipping my nail into some sugar. Make sure to cover your whole nail. Let the top coat dry completely, and there you have a really unique textured accent nail. I'm starting this next design with a pink base. Then I'm taking a toothpick and creating little hearts with a white nail polish. To do hearts, just place 2 small dots next to each other and then drag the toothpick down to meet the dots together at a point. Finish with the top coat and your design is complete. This next nail has a white base. So once that's dry, I'm taking a plastic straw and dipping it into either nail polish or acrylic paint. Then use the straw to create some messy abstract circle shapes all over your nail. I like layering a few different colors a few times to create a more unique pattern. Clean up any mess with a Q-tip dipped in nail polish remover. And finish the design with the top coat. For this next design, I'm starting off with a light blue base. Then I'm taking a pen and using it as a dotting tool to create some cloud shapes with either white nail polish or white paint. Finish with the top coat. This next design is a really easy smiley face design inspired by Harry Styles. So I'm starting off with a yellow base, then with a toothpick and a black acrylic paint, I'm going to be painting 2 lines parallel to each other and then a smile underneath that. Finish your design with the top coat. For this next design, I'm starting with a burgundy base. And I'm going to be using tape on top of this, so I'm applying a layer of top coat just to make sure my base color is completely dry and doesn't peel off. Then I'm taking a piece of Scotch tape and applying it towards the edge of my nail and painting over it with a gold glitter nail polish. Peel the tape away while the nail polish is still wet so you have a clean line, and there you have a fun side glitter accent. And of course, finish with a top coat. This next design is a really easy way to do a yin-yang pattern. After applying a white base, I'm taking a black nail polish and just with the brush from the polish, doing a curved shape at the bottom of my nail. Then with the dotting tool, I'm adding a dot of white and a dot of black. Apply a top coat once everything's dry. For this next design, I'm starting with a white base again. And once that's completely dry, I'm taking Sharpies and I'm going to be drawing over the white base. You can use any colors or draw anything you'd like. And definitely make sure to seal this one in with top coat so the Sharpie doesn't rub off. And for the last design, I'm starting with a white base again. Then I'm taking a small piece of newspaper and dipping it into a small bowl of rubbing alcohol. The rubbing alcohol helps lift the ink from the newspaper. Then I'm placing that onto my nail and holding it for about 30 seconds. Peel the newspaper off and you're left with the ink for this cool newspaper look. Seal it in with a top coat so it doesn't rub off. And there you have 10 super easy designs using just household items. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more from Q Polish, you can click the boxes here to watch more videos, and click the circle here to subscribe to Q Polish for a new video every week. You can also click the circle here to subscribe to my personal nail channel.